everyone! Alive! Welcome! We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you one and all to the Festival of the Lion King! In this land, we welcome you! Karimu! Welcome! We are a band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this tribal celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiume, and I am the leader of our group. Kiume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Next we have Nakawa,
which is Swahili for good looking.
Hey, good looking.
And this is Kabimi,
Which means impatient.
It means princess.
And finally we have Zawadi,
which is Swahili for the gift.
The gift.
I said the gift, and if you want to stay good looking, you best back off the attitude, mister. Besides, this gentleman here thinks I'm the gift, don't you?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
Bob.
Bob. I think that's Swahili for it's my lucky day.
Everyone, Simba and the gang will be arriving any minute now. We want them to feel welcome when they get here, so we're going to need your help.
And since this is the animal kingdom and we are surrounded by animals and Simba and the gang are animals, we should greet them like
Animals! So, for our beastly pep rally, each of us will help lead one of the 4 animal sections. Let's see. I'll take the elephant!
I'll take the giraffe.
I'll take the lion.
And I'll take the warthog. Yes, the warthog. And Bob, you're gonna help me tame this warthog section. You're coming with me. Come on. Oh yes. Listen up, everyone. Come on, Bob. My friend Bob here is going to demonstrate to us the sound